Hello friends, is your car misfiring, stalling, or struggling to start? Does your engine suddenly lose power, and is that check engine light on? If your scanner shows P0336, then your crankshaft position sensor, a circuit range performance issue, is the culprit. This sensor is critical for engine timing, and if it fails, your car may not even start. In this video, we'll explain what P0336 means, its symptoms, sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0336? P0336 stands for Crankshaft Position Sensor A Circuit Range Performance. This means the crankshaft position sensor, or CKP, is sending irregular signals to the powertrain control module, often referred to as the PCM. Since the CKP sensor monitors the position and speed of the crankshaft, this error disrupts ignition timing and fuel injection. This can lead to poor performance or even a no-start condition. Common symptoms of P0336: check engine light or CL turning on, engine misfires or stalling, difficulty starting the car or no start at all, loss of acceleration or power while driving, rough idling or engine vibrations, increased fuel consumption. If left unresolved, this issue can cause severe engine performance problems and even damage the engine over time. So, where exactly should you be looking for the crankshaft position sensor, or CKP? Typically, you can find it in a few key areas. First, near the bottom of the engine block, close to the crankshaft pulley or harmonic balancer. Another common spot is near the transmission bell housing, where the sensor reads the crankshaft position from the flywheel. In some models you might find it under the timing cover, hidden behind the timing components. And don't forget to check the wiring harness and connectors for any loose, broken, or corroded connections. Now let's talk about the common causes of the P0336 error code. First, a faulty crankshaft position sensor, or CKP, is often the culprit. The sensor could be damaged or malfunctioning. Second, damaged or loose wiring can also be an issue. Corroded, frayed, or disconnected wires can lead to irregular signals. Third, problems with the crankshaft reluctor ring. If the reluctor wheel is misaligned, cracked, or dirty, it can definitely affect sensor readings. Fourth, timing belt or chain problems. A stretched or misaligned timing belt or chain can cause incorrect crankshaft signals. And lastly, although rare, a bad PCM or powertrain control module could be misinterpreting the CKP sensor signal. How to fix P0336? Well, here are the steps you should follow. Step 1. Scan for additional codes, such as P0335 or P0340, to check for any related issues. Step 2. Locate and inspect the crankshaft position sensor or CKP for any damage or loose connections. Step 3. Check and clean the wiring harness and connectors to ensure there's no corrosion or broken wires. Step 4. Inspect the crankshaft reluctor ring for cracks, dirt, or misalignment. Step 5. If necessary, replace the crankshaft position sensor with a new one. Step 6. Verify the timing belt or chain is in good condition and properly aligned. And finally, Step 7. Clear the codes and take a test drive to confirm the fix. A faulty crankshaft position sensor can lead to starting issues, misfires, and engine stalling. Fixing P0336 will restore proper ignition timing and engine performance. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos: P0324, knock control system error, P0325, knock sensor 1 circuit malfunction, bank 1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.